Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Chicken Reshmi and welcome to Food Street. Today I'm back with another exciting recipe with you guys, जो कि है रेशमी कबाब की, and it's going to be a lot better than what you get in your local restaurants. उनसे a lot better होगी. So guys, get ready. So the very first step we are going to do is add 500 gram के onion और उसको chop कर लेंगे separately because that's the common mistake most of the people do. Onion अपना पानी छोड़ता है, so we gotta chop it separately और उसका पानी remove करेंगे हम. Otherwise, most of the people say कि उनके कबाब जो है वो soft है, and this is the mistake that they do. So हम इस mistake को avoid करेंगे, and we'll chop it first. So let's start chopping. So now our onions and chop and ready. Let me show you the amount of water it contains. So I'm gonna get a bowl first, and इसमें मैं add करूँगा. In fact, I'm gonna add a sieve, right? और इसमें सारा पानी हम निकाल लेंगे. So I'm gonna. So this is the common mistake that most of the people do. So make sure कि आप अनियन को पहले sieve कर लें अच्छे से. So I'm gonna show you. It's not fully there yet. But let me show you the amount of water it contains. In fact, I gotta use my hand. How soft it is, ये सारा पानी इसके अंदर चला जाता. So you gotta take these out. ये water आपके कबाब को खराब कर देगा. So make sure you run it through sieve first, ताकि सारा पानी इसमें से निकल जाए. अभी मैंने सिर्फ थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी इसको sieve के थ्रू रन की है, and you can see the amount of water it contains already. So this is the water that would have ruined your kebab. So make sure you take this water out before you do anything. So see, ये finally मेरा onion इस तरीके से हो चुका है, and the amount of water that I have taken out, that's insane. So ये पूरे कबाब को ruin कर देता. इस तरीके से मैंने इसको one by one इस तरह से सारा पानी निकाल लिया. So make sure this is a crucial step and don't make this mistake. So now the next step is to add minced meat. मेरी minced की meat की quantity है about 2 kilo. So I may have to do in 2 separate batches. लेकिन मैं आपको 2 kilo की quantity का ratio बता दूँगा, all the spices and everything. So that should be fine. मेरी जो fat की quantity है that's roughly about 20%. So it's not ideal, लेकिन at least doable है, still doable. My kebab are going to be amazing. So I think this should be good enough. I don't think more is gonna go. So I'm gonna tell you the spices and everything in a minute. So now I'm going to add a couple of green chilies, जो कि about 10 to 12. You can feel free to adjust them based on your taste. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna squeeze them in. So now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste and a tablespoon of garlic paste. In terms of spices, I'm going to add salt, जो कि है half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon of garam masala, half a tablespoon of cumin seed powder, यानी जीरा, and a tablespoon of white pepper. इसके अलावा थोड़ा सा मैं coriander ऐड करूँगा इसके अंदर. And like I said, a bunch of coriander that's gonna go in. So उसको हम chop कर लेंगे. We'll start chopping that. So our keema is chopped and ready. मैं इसको freeze करूँगा for about 30 minutes.